September 2024, I started this second YouTube channel from zero. Now, 1 year later, I want to share something most creators are curious about: how much money YouTube actually pays. In this video, I'll show you what I earned from my most viewed video and whether chasing YouTube is really worth it. This is my channel, which will need a bit of changes to it. But at the moment, I have 3.8K subscribers on this channel, with 113 videos uploaded, which include shorts. And if I click on more right here and scroll down to the bottom, you can see this channel joined YouTube on the 8th of September 2024. And from the time I am creating this video, it's just a few days left to reach this channel's 1 year on YouTube. And so far, I have accumulated 450,000 plus views on this channel. And for me to reach this milestone, it's really incredible. So for this part of the video, and for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel, I am going to review my most viewed video on the channel and show you how much I earned on that video, so you will know what you are in for on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube Studio and search for my most viewed video. And this is my most viewed video on the channel. So let's go to this video's analytic and show you the important analytics when it comes to every video. And at the end of the video, I will reveal the money I earned on my most viewed video. And at the moment, this video has gotten 167.3K views, and for a small channel, I didn't even expect this video to perform this well, and has also gotten 5.4K watch hours, which is also great for a small channel like mine. And looking at the graph here, this video will still get views in the coming months. So I'm expecting this video to even surpass 200K in the coming months. And one of the most amazing part about this video was that this video got 1.3K subscribers. And as you can see, only this video actually surpassed the YouTube monetization requirement, which is the 400 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And I posted this video on June 30th, which makes this video a little about 2 months old. So if you are a new YouTuber and you feel stuck not getting views and subscribers, and even hard to hit YouTube monetization threshold, you could be just one video away. So don't quit YouTube yet. So now let's go to reach. And I got 2 million impressions, and impressions are times the video was showed to a viewer on YouTube. And it can be from YouTube search, browse, features, or suggested videos. And also got 5.7% when it comes to the impression click-through rate, which means people that clicked the video based on the impressions like the thumbnail and title, which led for this video to get 167.3K viewers. And based on the click-through rate, this is also how the viewers find this video. And the first one with the highest percentage is from YouTube search, which also means people are really searching for this type on video, which solves a problem they are having. And the second is from browse features, and the third was through suggested videos, which means other videos are suggesting this video to their viewers. And this is a sign that this video will continue to get more views. And now, before I reveal the revenue I have earned so far, I want to first show you the top geography for this video, which is where people are watching this video from. And I will explain later why this is really important when it comes to earning money on YouTube. And these are the locations where people watched this video from. And the first country is India with 20%. Then Pakistan, USA, Nigeria, and Bangladesh. And there are more countries if you click on more, but I will be show this for now. And I appreciate every subscriber, viewer, those who comment and like, and even those who dislike our videos. I'm really grateful. So, for the awaited moment, how much YouTube paid me for this video. And at the moment, I have earned $154. And the question that will pop up in your mind is this really worth it? And as a really small YouTuber, I will say, it's really worth it, and all I need to do is create more valuable content that can get views, and surely the revenue will definitely increase. And based on the analytic here, definitely, since this video is still getting views, then the revenue will keep adding up. Now, there are so many factors that can influence the amount you have on a video. And the first one I will talk about is the RPM, which is the revenue per 1,000 views. And as you can see from this side, my RPM was very low, which is I get 98 cents per 1,000 views on this video. And that's why my revenue is low, and there are more factors that I'm going to show you in a bit. And one of these factors are where viewers are watching your video from. So let's go to top geography. And as you can see from this side, it's only USA that pays more when it comes to the top geography for this video. And if you want to increase your RPM and revenue, you should target audience from countries like Australia, USA, Canada, and the UK. Because to advertisers, these countries has more buying power, and that's why they will pay more if your audience are from these countries. And one factor that can influence your revenue is the length of your video. And as you can see, my video is just 6 minutes and 45 seconds. And when it comes to YouTube, when you upload a video longer than 8 minutes, YouTube lets you add mid-ad row, which is ad that appears when you are watching the video. But if your video is less than 8 minutes, YouTube automatically places ads at the beginning and at the end. And the more ads are placed in your video, the more money you will get. 1 year ago, I started this channel with 0 subscribers, and today I can look back at what one video earned me. For me, it's proof that YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. If you want to see the full journey of how I built this channel from scratch, let me know in the comments section.